What gets measured gets managed. As Peter Drucker mentions in his famous quote, value measurement and instrumentation is foundational to the concepts of value selling and realization. Very excited that this is the topic of our next workshop in the value management track within the Outcome Selling Advisory. I will be partnering with Erica Ranta, a name who needs no introduction in the value management community. We will be discussing some of our experiences and learnings measuring value for our customers and also for our internal practices. Looking forward to another engaging and interactive discussion with fellow advisory members. Thank you and see you soon.